Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix map/GPS not working in iPhone problem. So the first fix is to go to settings, scroll down and tap on maps, tap on location and make sure it is selected to while using the app and precise location is turned on. The second fix is go to settings homepage. From here, go to screen time, tap on screen time, tap on content and privacy restriction, tap on location service and make sure allow changes is selected. Tap on location alert and make sure show map in location alert is also turned on. Now that's it. If these also does not work, we'll move to third fix. The third fix is make sure your internet is working. Go to any website, for example any website, and check if the internet is working or not. If it is working, then move to the fourth fix. Simply turn on airplane mode and turn it off again. If these also does not fix, then what you have to do, force close Maps app, force close it and open it again. And if that also does not work, we will reset network settings. For this, go to settings, go to general, scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset network setting, enter your passcode and tap on reset network settings. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.